Good day, kung may balance ka sa inyong SPayLater, paano nga ba natin ito i-convert into cash? To this video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano natin i-convert into cash. You will see ang aking balance ay 500 pesos. Pwede ko siya i-convert into cash. All I have to do is that pindutin ko lang itong 500 pesos. Processing na, and mapupunta ko dito sa cash advance. Dito sa cash advance is that input withdraw amount. Ilalagay natin yung withdraw or pwede mo isagad. Since 500 yung aking balance, ilalagay ko dito yung 500 pesos. Withdraw from 1 to 500 pesos. And meron ditong select installment plan. After ma-input yung 500 pesos, mag-automatically calculate 520.11 times 1, which is payable siya into 3 months. So ito yung breakdown ng repayment schedule, which is 186.79. Naka-indicate na din dito yung on-time processing fee at saka yung monthly interest fee. And tatap lang po si withdraw to process yung aking cash loan. Apply for buyer cash loan instead, tap lang si proceed to continue. And then processing na yung aking hiniram na 500 pesos. And you will see cash advance result successful, which is pumasok na ito sa aking SPayLater balance. Yung amount requested is 500, which yung admin fee is deducted sa ating balance na 50 pesos, 450 yung ating marireceive, and period of 3 payment schedule. Yung ating monthly payment is 186.79. Since kinasa advance ko yung aking balance na 500 pesos, zero na yung aking balance, and yung aking Shopee Pay ngayon ay 450.88 yung aking balance. Alright, so ito yung aking wallet balance na 450, never mind the 88 centavo. Dito sa SPayLater, nakailang beses na rin ako humiram. Para tumaas yung increase or credit limit dito sa SPayLater, gagamitin and dapat maganda tayo magbayad para mag-increase yung ating credit limit. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video presentation, do it thumbs up, like and share. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, click the subscribe button, kalimbay mo na notification bell para updated ka sa mga tutorial katulad nitong SPayLater. And of course, be responsible when it comes kapag umuutang tayo sa mga platform na ganito. Thank you for watching.